What if the world's most advanced humanoid robots weren't being developed in Silicon Valley or Tokyo, but in China? In this video, we're diving into a wave of next-gen humanoid machines emerging from China. Robots that think, move, and act like real people. These aren't concepts. They're already working in homes, factories, and schools, changing how society functions. Over the past 10 years, China has cultivated one of the most aggressive robotics ecosystems on the planet. While other countries focused on niche prototypes or small-scale robotics like dogs or drones, China went all in on humanoids. These robots are powered by cutting-edge AI, built for real-world use, and advancing at a speed that's left much of the world behind. Fueled by billions in government support and investments from companies like UB Tech, XPeng, and Unitree, Chinese robotics firms aren't just catching up. They're surpassing rivals in speed, affordability, and deployment. The goal isn't to build robots that just look human. It's to create machines that move, learn, and react like humans. China's strategy emphasizes rapid iteration. Instead of waiting for perfection in labs, robots are deployed early, collecting real-world data and improving through continuous feedback. This approach is rapidly accelerating both hardware and software development. Let's begin with the Unitree G1, a humanoid robot priced around $16,000, making it one of the most affordable full-body humanoids on the market. Despite its price, it's incredibly capable. The G1 can walk, sprint, jump, and even box. It features 43 degrees of freedom, giving it a wide range of motion that closely mimics human flexibility. Its intelligence comes from reinforcement and imitation learning. That means the more it moves, the smarter it becomes. From flipping food to standing up after being knocked down, the G1 learns through action. Its movements are smooth, fast, and deliberate, more like a trained athlete than a machine. Next is the Astribot S1 from Stardust Intelligence, designed for home assistance. With 7 degrees of freedom in each arm, it performs tasks like pouring drinks, slicing vegetables, and cleaning surfaces, all with high-speed precision. It can move at up to 10 meters per second and execute motions with 0.3 millimeters repeatability, approaching surgical accuracy. The S1 isn't just following pre-coded routines. It uses proprietary AI and natural language processing to understand verbal instructions, adapt in real time, and customize tasks. Whether it's helping in the kitchen or feeding a pet, it adjusts based on context, showing real-time decision-making capabilities. In short, these humanoids don't just execute, they interpret, adapt, and interact, blending robotics with AI in ways we've never seen before. And they're not futuristic prototypes. They're already being used. In the industrial sector, China's humanoids are built for strength, precision, and non-stop performance. Take the Kepler K2, developed by Shanghai Kepler Robotics. Revealed at GITEX's Global 2024 event, this 5th-gen humanoid is meant for factories and logistics centers, not display booths. It features 52 degrees of freedom and proprietary actuators that allow it to generate up to 8,000 newtons of thrust, strong enough to lift steel and manipulate heavy tools. Its fingertips include 96 contact point sensors, offering tactile sensitivity that enables it to switch between delicate and force-intensive tasks. From handling fragile glassware to installing car components, it's engineered for versatility. The K2 is cloud-connected, learns through reinforcement models, and can refine its tasks without being reprogrammed. Then there's the Walker S1 from UB Tech. Standing 1.7 meters tall and weighing 76 kilograms, the Walker S1 is already active in factories like BYD and Foxconn. It handles inspections, parcel sorting, and even partners with autonomous vehicles. Thanks to advanced motion algorithms, it walks on uneven ground, avoids obstacles, and performs under stress. The Walker S1's real strength is efficiency. In live deployments, it has increased operational throughput by more than 120%. Human workers can't compete with that level of consistency, precision, or endurance. These industrial robots don't need rest, don't make costly mistakes, and don't require retraining. They're reshaping factory operations and slowly displacing human labor in tasks that are repetitive, dangerous, or high volume. But not all Chinese humanoids are focused on muscle and speed. Some are designed to form bonds with people, to support, entertain, and collaborate in everyday spaces. Take the Engine PMO1 from Shenzhen-based Engine AI. This robot weighs 40 kilograms, stands 138 centimeters tall, and can rotate its waist 320 degrees, more than most humans. With over 23 joints and dual walking modes, it can move fluidly and adapt its gait as needed. What makes the PMO1 special is its AI core. It uses both Intel and NVIDIA chips and has been trained on large human motion datasets using optical motion capture. With adversarial learning and neural networks, it can mimic realistic walking patterns and improve them over time. Its hardware includes RealSense depth cameras, stereo audio, touchscreens, and advanced microphones. That enables rich interaction, hearing, seeing, and responding to humans in ways that feel intuitive. It's ideal for roles in education, research, or elder care, where empathy and responsiveness are critical. Then there's the Magic Bot from Magic Lab. With 42 degrees of freedom and miniature high-torque actuators, this robot replicates around 70% of human hand gestures. Each arm lifts 20 kilograms, and its battery lasts up to 5 hours. It's strong, but also refined. The Magic Bot can fold laundry, water plants, and even perform acrobatics or magic tricks. That's not just a technical feat. It's a form of emotional design meant to connect with users and ease human-robot interaction. And this isn't theoretical. Magic Bot units are already operating in industrial environments, passing tools, synchronizing with other robots, and coordinating tasks with precision. It's no longer just about working alongside humans. These machines are becoming teammates. This new wave of humanoids doesn't aim to replace humanity. They're designed to work with us. In classrooms, kitchens, offices, and labs, these robots are being introduced not just as tools, but as collaborative partners. China's strategy is clear. Make robots that are smart, social, and adaptable. They should understand, respond, and improve with every interaction. That philosophy is showing up in the design, deployment, and real-world usage of these humanoids. From low-cost home assistants to heavy-duty factory bots and emotionally intelligent companions, it's clear that China isn't playing catch-up. It's setting the pace. These machines aren't stuck in testing. They're out in the world, evolving. And while much of the world watches from the sidelines, China continues integrating robotics, AI, and data-driven development at a scale and speed that's hard to match. So the real question isn't whether humanoid robots will become part of daily life. It's whether the rest of the world can keep up with what China has already accomplished. Which of these robots impressed you most? Leave a comment, subscribe for more, and stay tuned, because the future isn't coming. It's already here, and it's walking on two legs.